Have you noticed that your skin doesn't bounce back like it used to? You look in the mirror and see those little folds around your neck. Your cheeks feel a bit loose and your arms just don't look the same anymore. Many seniors think it's just part of getting old. But what if I told you that your sagging skin might not be about age alone, and that you can actually firm it up naturally, starting from inside your body? Hi there, this is Your Channel Name, where we talk about living stronger, healthier, and happier after 60. And in today's video, we're uncovering the real reason your skin starts to sag as you age, and how one powerful food combination can help bring back firmness, glow, and elasticity naturally without expensive creams or risky treatments. Now, let's get something clear. Wrinkles and loose skin don't just appear because of age. The truth is, your body slowly loses collagen and elastin, two proteins that keep your skin tight and smooth. But here's the secret most people don't know. Your body can still make collagen even after 60. You just need to give it the right ingredients, and most people never do. You see, collagen production depends on certain amino acids and vitamins, especially vitamin C, zinc, copper, and healthy protein sources. But as we get older, our digestion weakens, and we often eat less protein. That's why the skin loses structure, becoming thin and saggy. Expensive creams only work on the surface. They can't rebuild what's lost underneath, so what can you do? Here's the exciting part. There's a natural food that helps your body rebuild collagen from the inside, and it's not bone broth. The problem with bone broth is that many seniors can't digest it well. Instead, you want to focus on eggs, lentils, chia seeds, and vitamin C-rich fruits like oranges, kiwis, and strawberries. These foods supply your body with the raw materials it needs to create new collagen naturally. Let me share a simple routine you can start today. Each morning, make yourself a collagen breakfast. Scramble 2 eggs in olive oil, sprinkle a little turmeric for anti-inflammation, and have a side of fresh fruit, maybe a handful of berries or a slice of orange. This combination gives you protein, antioxidants, and vitamin C, the perfect trio to fight sagging skin from the inside out. Now here's something many people overlook: hydration. After 60, your skin becomes drier because your body retains less moisture. Drinking plain water isn't always enough. Try adding electrolytes or a pinch of sea salt to your water once or twice a day. This helps your cells hold on to water, keeping your skin plumper and healthier looking. And please, don't skip healthy fats. Avocados, walnuts, and olive oil feed your skin's outer layer. They help rebuild the protective barrier that prevents wrinkles and dryness. Many older adults fear fat, but healthy fats are your best friend for youthful, glowing skin. Now let's talk about something shocking. Sugar. Yes, sugar is one of your skin's biggest enemies. It damages collagen through a process called glycation, which makes your skin stiff and saggy. If you can reduce sweets and replace them with fruits or a little dark chocolate, your skin will thank you. Here's another powerful secret: sleep and sunlight. When you don't sleep well, your body makes more cortisol, a stress hormone that breaks down collagen. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of deep rest every night, and get 10-15 minutes of gentle morning sunlight. It helps your skin make vitamin D, which improves elasticity and cell renewal. Finally, if you want to boost results faster, try adding collagen peptides or marine collagen powder to your morning drink. Studies show that seniors who take collagen supplements for 8 to 12 weeks notice firmer skin, fewer wrinkles, and better hydration. So, to sum it up, sagging skin isn't permanent. You can restore firmness naturally by fueling your body from within. Forget expensive creams. Your kitchen has everything you need. Eat collagen-rich foods, stay hydrated, get enough sleep, and protect your skin from sugar and stress. And remember, it's never too late. Your body wants to heal, rebuild, and glow again. You just need to give it the chance. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like. Subscribe for more senior health and wellness tips, and share it with a friend who deserves to feel confident in their skin again. Because after all, aging is not about losing your beauty. It's about rediscovering it in new ways.